Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video, I'll show you how to enable pop-ups and redirects on web browser in PC. It's very simple and easy. Now let's start. First, open web browser on your PC. Then tap on three horizontal line that is located on the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on settings. From here, tap on privacy and security. This is located on the left side of this page. Then tap on site settings. Then tap on site and sales settings. Now scroll down and here you can find content tab. Under content tab you can find pop-ups and redirects. Now select this and click on it. From here you can two behavior option. One is don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects, and another is sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. If you want to enable pop-ups and redirect, then select sites can send pop-ups and use redirect. That's it. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech tutorials like this. Thank you.